The Lectures and Workshops Committee has been working hard to select a program that will provide you with superb optometric education to help you take your patient care to the next level.
This year we're co-hosting the meeting with the World Congress of Optometry. That means that full registration will get you an extra day of COPA-approved CE on Sunday at no additional cost.
Not to mention, you'll get to meet exciting and interesting individuals from all around the world who are dedicated to this profession that we all love.
Our motto, today's research, tomorrow's practice, means that our meeting is one of the few places where clinicians and vision scientists come together to collaborate and share knowledge that pushes the profession forward.
Plus, you'll learn about the latest in products and technology in our large exhibit hall and through presentations from our corporate partners.
And I know what you're thinking, Orlando, didn't we have a meeting here once? And it did not go well.
Rest assured, we've found a much more ideal location for this year's meeting in the West Concourse of the Orange County Convention Center.
But the Orange County Convention Center is adjacent to Orlando's famous International Drive area, filled with a variety of dining and entertainment options.
And Orlando's world-renowned theme parks are also nearby.
So we invite you to join us for Academy 2019 Orlando and the Third World Congress of Optometry so you can find your inspiration for excellence.
See you in Orlando!